Hi guys, this is Himanshu from WP Township. Today I will show you step by step how you can process your order from the WordPress dashboard. If you are getting a order, how you can set up this order like pending or dispatch, or how you can set up all those things. In this video I am also going to tell you if you are getting an order, if the order is in processing state, how your customer will get the update of the order. Before moving further, if you want to learn basic to advanced WordPress step by step, you can enroll in our WP Mastery course and become part of WP community. Also, you will get 20 plus pre-made WordPress templates on different themes developed by us as a bonus. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future update. Thank you. So as you can see that now let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. And here what I will do, let me go to the product section and I will place a dummy order over here. So let's view this product, and here what I will do, I have selected this large and I will increase this 4 quantities over here and I 5 quantity, and I will click on add to cart. Let's go to the cart page, and here in this cart page I will click on this proceed to checkout. And once you will click on this proceed to checkout, here you can see my address, everything is saved over here. Now let me place a cash on delivery address over here. So once you will click on this cash on delivery, now I will just need to click on this place order, and once I will click on this place order, it will receive my order over here. Now once your order placed, as you can see, like thank you for shopping with us, your account has been charged and your transaction is successful, we will be processing your order soon. Payment method is the cash on delivery with my address and everything. Now when I will go to this my account page, as you can see here, I will get this order section, and these are the 2 orders which I have made, and this is my latest order which I have made it over here. So as you can see over here, like is currently processing over here with my order ID. Now what you have to do, you in this WooCommerce section, you have to go to this order section, and here in this order section you will see you have got one order in 45 seconds ago. Just click on this CMS, and here you can see this is the person name and this is the billing address. Shipping address is not yet selected, and then here you can set the status. Like suppose if you want to set it as pending payment, if you have not got the pending payment, or if you want to on hold or completed or cancelled or refund. So let's check if we will make it on hold, and here you can note to customer. If you want to give any note, you can give it over here like your order is on hold due to cash on delivery. You can set it and just click on this add, and now what I will do, I will update it. Now let's go to the my account section and let's see what we are getting over here. In this, as you can see, was placed and is currently on hold, and here it is like order update. Here we are getting the message your order is on hold due to cash on delivery. After that, in the same way, if the order is completed or if that order is failed, you can set it as like this. Like if you want to, if you are in completed, if you have completed that order, you can make it update or order action, email invoice, order details to customer, or resend new order notification. You can set it like this, and you can just update it, resend new order notification, or regenerate download permission, or email invoice order details. So you can also email the invoice or order details from this order action section. So here you can see like order status change to on hold to completed. These are for your reference. Order status change from processing to on hold. These are like order details manually sent to the customer. So here it is like order details is manually sent. I have set it as completed. Now you can refresh and you can see your order is currently completed. That's all. So in this way you can set the order status whenever you will receive any order in your WordPress site. Thank you so much for watching this video till now. If you want to watch this type of amazing videos, you can subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notification of every video. Thank you so much.